I would like to thank organizing partners, starting from the CEA, the Ministry of Education. Also, I would like to thank Dr. Lucinda, Dr. John Ressler, Mr. Mike Krause. Then I would move to our great presenters, Dr. Greg and Susan. I would like here to recognize Dr. Mohammed Rahal. I'd like also to mention Dr. Hiba Abdel Halim. Thank my AAU staff member, admin and academic. We believe that this is part of our continued inspiration to move the university forward, which will be reflected finally at our final product, which are students.